Hey guys, quick video to show you how to replace your sway bar link on a 2011 through 2017 Toyota Camrys and probably more. Two bolts, you need to unscrew this one and this one. You're gonna need a hex 5-bit and a 14mm wrench. This is what I'm talking about to get in here and get this off on both ends. And then this is the replacement, a little upgrade we're doing. I'll put a link below. I got the part at Rock Auto for a good deal. When the bolts are stripped in here and you can't get them off, here's my solution. We're going to do the same with the bottom. You also might have some luck trying to lock it from the back with the vice grip and then hitting it with a power drill. We'll try now. That worked. So that's one solution. But you are going to damage the boot with this method. So only do that if you're replacing them. Yeah, some of these behind here have a grip for a wrench, but these original ones are all smooth, so it didn't work. That's why you need to use the hex, which just wouldn't do it. Here's what the driver's side looks like. So we're gonna attempt to remove the top piece first and lock this in. Might have to get in there, clean it out a little bit first. That's the problem. When they're really old and rusted, you can't get in there. It's so rusted up. I'm just gonna hit over a power tool, see if we can loosen it up. So now it's gonna spin. So that's not gonna work, but hopefully maybe give us a little. Almost there. I'm gonna try now with this. I'm doing this, be careful because you can strip it very easily. Yep, it's happening. not a chance. All right, in that case, if that happens, some of these, let me show you guys the other side. Every video they show you how easy this is to do, and that's probably BS. So a lot of these, it's behind this. This is a smooth piece that sits against this bracket, and it's smooth, so you can't put a wrench on it. Some of the newer models do have a wrench section, but what I'm gonna do is just use these pliers, grab back there. I'm not even worried about damaging the boot since I'm replacing the thing completely. And these sway bar links are cheap. You can get them as cheap as 17 bucks, guys. So if you're doing the struts, change them. And now I'm just gonna pop that off. I'm not even going to bother with it as I'm replacing this, so you can stay attached to it. But you guys get the idea, right? And that now you see what a big issue these things are if they're not upkept. And I'll show you guys the bottom next. Same idea on the bottom. The bottom seems to be easier usually, so hopefully we can get that off nicely. Get a wrench on. Hex. This is ridiculous. I guess we gotta cut it, guys. Try now. That worked. So that's one solution. But you are gonna damage the boot with this method. So only do that if you're replacing them. One last trick I'm gonna try before I try cutting it. Speed out these extraction bits. So let's give it a go. All else, cutting is the solution. And there we go, removed. That easy, guys, right? Same with the bottom. Now we can pop in the new one. I'll replace the strut and then install after. So we got it off. Piece of junk. Just make sure if you cut in here, be careful not to mess this up, or you're gonna be replacement. And this piece is about a couple $100. It goes across. This one, since I'm replacing, I don't care. All right, next step. When the bolts are stripped in here and you can't get them off, here's my solution. So here's a brand new sway bar link. I'm gonna put a link below. It's a higher quality one, not the cheapest and not the most expensive. It should last nicely and be a nice upgrade. So these one, the bolts on this is 17, not 14 as before. But inside connection is still hex 5, and this time it will actually work. So we just pop it in. On top. This is the idea. This is how this should actually work when nothing's rusted out and old as heck. This car is 10 years old. No, 11 years old. Leave that like that. And torque this to 55 foot-pounds. There we go. Now the bottom. There we go. Now we just pop our wheel back on, drop the car, and you're all done. Torque it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys.